I'm going to teach you how to upload your screenshot to Google Drive and then get the link to put in a form. Let's dive in together and explore each step to make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, let's ensure you're logged into your Google account. This is crucial as it will give you access to your Google Drive. Once you're in, go to the homepage of Google Drive. You can easily find this by typing Google Drive into your search engine or directly visiting the Google Drive URL in your browser. Take a moment to appreciate how organized your Google Drive is. It's laid out to help you find your files quickly. Now that we're on the homepage, look towards the top left of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking on this button opens a small drop-down menu that provides several options to add new files. Choose File Upload from this menu. This is an important step because it allows you to select specific files from your computer to upload directly to your drive. After clicking File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up. Here, you just need to locate the screenshot you want to upload. Navigate to where your screenshot is saved on your computer, and once you find it, select it and hit Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. To start the upload process. It will only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the size of your file. Once the file upload is complete, your screenshot will appear in your Google Drive. Now, let's get the link to share that screenshot. To do this, find the file you just uploaded in your drive. Once you spot it, right-click on the file, and from the context menu that appears, select the Get Link option. This step is critical as it generates a shareable link. A small window will pop up offering sharing settings. Here you want to ensure that anyone with the link can view the file, especially if you're sharing this link with people who may not have a Google account. Adjust the permissions as necessary and then click Copy Link. This action copies a direct link to your clipboard. Ready to be pasted wherever you need it, you're now ready to place the link in your form or share it with others. Remember, you've just streamlined the process of sharing vital information quickly and efficiently. Whether it's for collaborative projects, educational purposes, or just sharing with friends, knowing how to properly upload and share files through Google Drive can be incredibly beneficial. Give yourself a pat on the back for mastering this process today, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tech tips. Happy Google Driving!